Welcome to Insta Legal. Today we are going to discuss a question which I have been asked a lot of times very recently. And the question is, I was adopted by my uncle, but can I claim my share in properties of biological father? कहने का मतलब है कि एक बच्चे को उसके अंकल ने गोद ले लिया। अब जो गोद लिया हुआ बच्चा है उसके अपने फादर की प्रॉपर्टीज में, जो नेचुरल फादर है उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज में कोई राइट बनता है या नहीं। चलिए देखते हैं। Rights of adopted child. We are going to talk about the rights of an adopted child only under Hindu law today. The adoption is dealt with Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act. This is the main act, Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act, which also gives the procedure of how adoption takes place and what is the provisions as to who can take in adoption, who can give in adoption, and if an adoption can be made of a child. ये चीज ध्यान देने वाली बात है कि 15 साल से कम उम्र वाले बच्चे को ही अडॉप्शन में दिया जा सकता है. Any child who is above the age of 15 years cannot be given in adoption. Now, the rights of the adopted child are also governed by Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act, wherein it clearly says that on being adopted, the adopted child shall be deemed to be the child of his or her adopted father or mother for all purposes. The main पॉइंट हियर इज फॉर ऑल पर्पसेस. फॉर ऑल पर्पसेस का क्या मतलब है कि चाहे उसके राइट्स प्रॉपर्टी के हो, चाहे उसके राइट्स अपने भरण पोषण के लिए हो, मेंटेनेंस के लिए हो, एवरीथिंग विल बी गवर्न्ड by the adoptive family and not the natural family where he was born. The moment you are adopted, it will make you as good as a natural son of the adopted family. Therefore, on being adopted, the adopted child shall be deemed to be the child of his or her adopted father or mother for all purposes. So इससे ही आपको आपका आंसर मिल गया है कि adopted child will have no rights in the biological or natural parents' properties. Yes, he can claim it only from the adoptive parents' properties. Adopted child can have a claim only in the properties of the adoptive parents and not in the biological or natural parents' properties. इसी के साथ में the last point is the natural parents may, as per their own wish and desire, may make a gift or may by way of a will give the properties to the child who has been given in adoption. But इस चीज में भी एक चीज ध्यान देने वाली बात है that you cannot will away your ancestral properties. The will can be made or the gift can be made only of the self-acquired properties. The natural parents cannot will away the ancestral property shared to the child which has been given in adoption. Hence, an adopted child will have no claim in the properties of the biological parents, but he can claim only in the adoptive parents' properties. Thank you very much.